If there's one thing to cheer you up, it's a proper unboxing. Doesn't matter if I show the label, because obviously my name's going out there anyways. And then this is for Postnet that I deliver to, so it doesn't matter if I show the label or not. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. It wants to drag. Oh yeah. Okay, let me get that. Like that. Maybe I can pop this. Yep, I can pop it open like that. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh. And I got a sticker. Hell yeah. Ooh. More sticker. What's this? Oh, look at that. Pretty sure this is the AC pulley. Oh, look at that. So light. So light. That is gorgeous. Oh, look how big that one is. Here's my other sticker. Heel toe. In your corner. Established 2002. There's nothing in there. Is there anything in here? No? Just shit. Oh, come on, more tape. Oh, no, not more tape. Oh my god. Look how big that thing is. This thing is light. I think the stock ones are like 80 grams, but these ones I think are like 16 grams or something like that. Super light. This is super, this doesn't even feel like you're picking up anything. And then obviously they gotta make a mess of my FedEx truck. Hell to the yes. But one thing I noticed is I ordered the one with the belt. There's no belt in here. So what the fuck? Fuck you. Like literally I ordered with belt. Oh well. At least I got these and I can figure out what belt